In a village lived a farmer named John, who was content and happy with his farming. His village was in a hilly area where a small river flowed, passing through the fields. John would tend to his crops and return home in the evening to sleep peacefully. He had no worries. One day, a traveler arrived in the village, looking very tired and distressed. He asked John, "I have come from a long way and I am searching for peace in life. It feels like my heart is never at rest. Can you tell me how I can achieve peace?" John smiled and took the traveler with him to the riverbank. He picked up a thorny branch from the river, which had many thorns, and handed it to the traveler. "Take this and walk along this river. As you go, break off every thorn you see. Keep doing this until evening, and then come back." The traveler took the branch with surprise and started walking along the river. He kept breaking off the thorns he encountered along the way. Sometimes he had to break thorns from tall bushes, and sometimes from under rocks. His entire focus was on the thorns, making sure not to miss any. Evening came, and the traveler returned, tired and with scratched hands. John asked, "Did you notice the beauty of the river? The chirping of the birds on the trees, or the splendor of the mountains along the way?" The traveler replied, "No, my entire focus was on those thorns that I had to break. I saw nothing else." John smiled again and said, "This is the secret to peace. Our worries and negative thoughts are like these thorns in life. When we focus all our attention on them, we fail to see the beautiful things in life. Peace is found when we shift our minds from these thorns, our worries, and focus on the beauty of the present moment." The traveler realized his mistake. He understood that true peace is not found in the outside world but in one's inner thoughts. From that day on, he changed his way of thinking and began to focus on the beautiful moments of his life. The lesson we learn from this story is that when our mind is focused on the present and we are free from negative thoughts, only then can we achieve true peace and happiness. For more stories, subscribe to Stories Desk YouTube channel.